What's up, you guys? We're Keith and Hannah, and today we're headed into San Francisco.
We've been in the area for probably about a week and a half to 2 weeks now, but we've been putting off going into San Francisco because we've been waiting on a package, getting some work done, various different reasons, but today we're finally making our way across the Golden Gate Bridge.
Yes, actually, we've been across it once and we didn't know that you had to pay a toll.
Yeah.
So we immediately turned back around and had to pay the toll, but we're going to pay it for real this time. We know what's coming.
So we're going to be spending roughly 48 hours in San Francisco, so we're going to bring you along, show you everything that we do, everything that we see, and tell you what you need to do here.
Yeah, and we looked up the top things to do, so we're going to try and do all of those and see what's worth it, what's not, and go from there.
So let's go.
One place that's highly recommended to come is Battery Spencer, where you can get a good picture with the bridge close to you, and you're kind of at a higher vantage point. And we got here, it's very foggy. I'm going to show you where you can't even see the bridge. So the bridge is over here, but you literally can't see it at all.
And it's so windy.
So windy. It's very cool too. I mean, it's nice and it's still pretty, but obviously we're not going to get the picture we're looking for because you literally can't even see it.
This is a miss for us this time, but we would recommend coming here if it's a nice sunny day, because the pictures that other people have taken here are so pretty.
Yeah, we really wanted one ourselves, but maybe next time.
We are now en route to downtown San Francisco. First, we're going to the Welcome Center because we're not really sure what the parking situation looks like around here, and obviously we have a very big vehicle, so we have to be conscious of that. It's going to take a little more planning when we get across here, but this is too cool. Alright, now we've got a little bit more of a plan. So when we came across the bridge, we started on the west side of San Francisco, going toward Baker Beach. That's supposed to be a really good place to get a picture with the bridge, but
on the beach, super great.
Yeah, but
again,
super foggy today, so we're not gonna get to do that. But if you come, that's highly recommended.
And maybe tomorrow it'll be more clear and we'll be able to come back over here or something.
Maybe. But for now, we are going to Golden Gate Park, which Keith just told me that it is 20% bigger than Central Park, which is just crazy to me. If you would ask me what I thought the biggest park was, I would say Central Park. We really enjoyed checking out the park. There's so much to do there. You can do a ton of things for free. That's what we did. But there are also a ton of things that you can do and pay for. So something I think the Japanese tea garden thing that
the botanical garden.
Oh, the botanical garden too. You pay to go in there. I think you also pay to go to the conservatory and one or two other things that I can't remember right now, but we really liked just walking around, checking out all the free stuff. We were there later in the day, so a lot of stuff that was paid was closing. So if you're gonna do that, get to it early. So right now we're making dinner, and then we're going to go more into the downtown area tomorrow. So we found just a spot on the side of the road, and it looks like it's in a pretty safe area, so we're keeping our fingers crossed for that. Do you have anything else to add?
I'm super excited for dinner and really hoping that tomorrow isn't as foggy. So we
agreed. Yes.
I understand that San Francisco is foggy, but it would be nice for it to not be as foggy, I guess.
That's one thing that I really don't like about being here is on the sunny days, I think it's so pretty, and I think even the park itself would be so much prettier on a sunny day.
Yeah, it just seems kind of dreary.
Yeah, I think like the fog and like dreary weather brings my mood down a lot.
Yeah.
So that's why I prefer to go to places that are like sunny and warm. But I think like if it's a sunny day here, it's stunning. And right now we're here like kind of at a perfect time because the weather's cooler. If we could just get the sun to come out, that would be
honestly, it got really chilly.
Amazing. It did get chilly. We kind of wish we had a coat, but we're gonna make dinner and we'll pick back up tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's actually afternoon now. We spent the better part of the morning trying to find a different place to park, which was super fun. And we're currently at Fisherman's Wharf, which is a really cool area, just like on the water, a lot of shops. So we're just walking, yeah, a lot of boats, and we're just walking around checking it out. We also spent a lot of time trying to find a place to park here. We're realizing that if we were driving a car, we would have much better luck. So we're just gonna check it out and show you what we see while we're here. So one thing that we really wish we were doing while we were here is taking a ferry over to Alcatraz and explore that. I really wanted to do that, but we're kind of on a budget and it's a little expensive. Plus Chloe can't go, and I don't really.
It just makes it hard.
Yeah, I don't really feel comfortable leaving Chloe. Like
sit.
I don't know. Like we can't walk to her. We'd have to take the boat to get back. So I don't know. It just kind of makes me nervous to.
We usually try to not do anything that we can't take her to because we just don't like to leave her unless we can like walk right outside or see right outside to the van, just in case something were to happen.
I would feel really bad.
Our worst nightmare.
Yeah, I would feel really bad getting on a boat and going to like a different island.
Yeah.
And then she's over here and something were to happen. So we're not gonna do it this time. But next time we come back, we will definitely
for sure.
We'll take Chloe to a doggy daycare and we'll go. But highly recommend checking that out because I think it would be super cool.
Oh yeah, and everybody recommends it.
Yeah,
for sure. These sea lions are so noisy.
So it's right here at Pier 39?
Yeah,
Pier
39. Which there's a bunch of shops here too that we're getting ready to go
But it's just so cool. They're just out there just barking away.
And playing, and there were two in the water. They were kissing. It was so cute.
So obviously come here. It's free.
It's like the zoo, but not.
Yeah, it's like the zoo, but not. Obviously we're in Ghirardelli Square, so we had to stop and get something. This is super expensive though.
It looks super good. We don't splurge, but we're splurging on this.
So we got one to share because otherwise we'd spend $30 on ice cream.
Yeah,
and it seems a bit
we're
much.
not trying to do that. We're just gonna share. We're gonna enjoy it.
But honestly, I'm just glad that we got it and we get to try it.
Yeah,
so,
same.
Let's do it. Look how good this looks though. Taste test. Really good. Awesome.
That's really good.
I'm glad we got it.
These hills are nothing like I've ever seen in my whole life. We're walking up them.
Burning off what I'm eating.
We're walking up them very fast because we have to get back to the van. So that's also contributing. But there are just hills everywhere.
Also, we got the ocean beach.
So good.
So good.
But, oh yeah, the van's still there.
Oh thank God.
We do worry about that.
We worry
pretty much every time we leave.
About it, yeah.
But that's the end of Fisherman's Wharf. So a lot of the parking here is free depending on what street you're on, but we've seen a lot of free parking around here, which is a super plus. But on, I think it's like what, Monday through Friday?
Monday through Saturday.
Okay, Monday through Saturday, it's only 2-hour parking. So we've been in this spot for 2 hours. The place that we're going next, it's called Lombard Street. It's only like a quarter of a mile away, maybe like a 5-minute walk, but we have to move the van at least a 1/10 of a mile. That's like their requirement.
I don't know how strict it is, but like,
I don't
want
either.
to chance it.
Yeah, I don't want to chance it because we really don't want to get a ticket. So we're going to figure out where we can move to and then check out the street. Apparently it's like pretty famous, so.
I think it's like really curvy and has like cool houses on it.
Yeah, it might have cool houses. I didn't think about that. This is the street. It's made up of 8 of these turns. But the view's nice. Oh no, I wouldn't want to drive down it. But the view's nice. Where are we at?
We're at we're seeing the painted ladies.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
All right. We're parked on a super big hill. And there they are.
Very windy. One last thing on the agenda today is seeing the Golden Gate Bridge from Fort Point. They say in this parking lot you're supposed to pay for parking, but we're gonna be here for 5 minutes, so if you're gonna stay longer,
Rebels.
yeah, if you're gonna stay longer, I don't know how much the parking is actually, but this is a really good viewpoint. We're gonna show you what it looks like, take some pictures, and then
It's not cloudy, so you can see the bridge.
you can see
Or
the
foggy.
bridge. Yes, but we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna go to dinner.
Our first time eating out in like
3
forever.
months. This would honestly be the perfect place to spend an afternoon. There's like some seating around here. It has the most perfect view of the bridge, and on
It
like a
really
bright
does.
sunny day, like bring your lunch here.
I think even if you could catch it like at sunrise or sunset,
Oh, yeah.
without it being foggy, it would be like.
Oh, that would be really good. We
perfect.
got one day like that, but ever since then the fog's pretty much been in
Yeah.
every day that we've tried to come here, but it's so pretty.
I'm glad that we lucked out, because otherwise I feel like we probably would have just like missed it. Honestly.
Yeah, I think so too. But now it's time for dinner.
Yeah, this is exciting.
Are you out to dinner with mom and dad? You look so cute sitting in a little stool. I think this is gonna be really good.
I'm excited. What do you think, Louie?
Oh, I should put my hood up. Oh yeah, that's a lot warmer. Well, this is it for San Francisco. What beach are we at?
Ocean Beach?
Ocean Beach. That's it. It's very windy here.
Very pretty, but very windy. That's it for San Francisco. So now we're headed south down Highway 1. And yeah,
We're going towards San Diego.
that's
But-
the end.
Before we're gonna stop all along the way.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys for I'm hoping much warmer weather.
Less windy weather.
Less windy. And
Really?
we'll show you everything we see along the way. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next